Delivering quality audio, user-friendliness, and affordability were three priorities for me when choosing my first mic, and the Blue Yeti tackles all three. Stay tuned for the unboxing and brief review of the Blue Yeti microphone. So the first thing that you will notice when you open your box is your USB cable for you to connect your microphone to your computer. That will be your owner's manual. And finally, we get to the microphone itself. At the bottom of your mic is where you'll find your USB mini jack and your headphone output. The USB mini jack allows for you to actually be able to connect your mic to your computer. The headphone output is great for multi-tracking and being able to hear exactly what you're recording with no worries of a delay. This mic truly is a plug and play. The rigid frame and custom metal stand calls for no additional setup equipment to be needed. Just pop it up at your desk or in studio and you have a studio ready appearance coupled with the professional sound quality provided by Blue Yeti. Now, a common mistake is to speak into the top of the mic like what you see being displayed on your screen now. But if you're using cardioid mode, which is most popular, you're going to want to speak into the front of the mic because that's where the recording is actually taking place. I have to say that I am impressed with the versatility of the Yeti and its offering of up to 4 different pattern options. First, we have stereo, which records the right and left channels separately, which is great for vocals and instrumentals. Then we have cardioid, great for single person recordings such as podcasts and voiceovers. Then we have omnidirectional, which is a 360-degree recording around the mic, which is great for bands looking to record. And lastly, we have bidirectional, which records the front and back of the microphone, ideal for one-on-one interviews. If you're new to audio recording like me, then gain may be a new term, but simply put, it adjusts the sensitivity of the microphone by controlling the volume of what you're recording. On the front of the mic, a volume controller is featured, as well as a mute button, which is going to eliminate any unwanted sound. To recap, I was searching for a rich sound, something easy to use, and something that wouldn't break the bank, and the Yeti got the job done. If you're looking to upgrade your audio options, consider the Blue Yeti. I've included a link in the description for you to get your hands on yours. So if you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe so you can receive future reviews. See you guys on the next video.